Welcome to Mecho's Quick Tip videos. In our videos, we'll demonstrate tips and techniques to create efficiencies in your project. One of the strengths of our new Mecho 7 manual shade is just how easy it is to take it from a manually operated shade and turn it into a motorized shade. Let me show you how to do that. To begin, you're going to want to remove any fascia and the tube from your bracket system. You will need to remove the adapter from the drive end of the tube. The easiest way to do this is to actually stick a rod through the tube and knock out the idle end adapter, and then stick that same rod back through the tube and knock out the black adapter from the drive end. Then you're going to want to uninstall the drive end bracket from your system. Note, only the drive end bracket needs to be removed. Now you can take your Electro 3 bracket and install it in the same location as your previous Mecho 7 bracket. Once you reinsert the idle end adapter and pin, you're now ready to insert the motor into the drive end of your tube. Now you're ready to install your motorized shade into the bracket system. Now you've taken your Mecho 7 manual shade and upgraded it to a motorized shade in just a couple easy steps. Go ahead and test it out. Thank you for watching our quick tip video. If you want to find more of our quick tip videos, head to mechoshade.com.